How to set up a TypeScript Node project. Introduction. Welcome to the CodeCrafters channel. In this tutorial, we're diving into the world of TypeScript and Node.js, and I'm here to guide you through the process of setting up your development environment step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to start creating amazing Node.js projects using TypeScript. The best part? I've simplified the process to make it easy for learners at all levels. No more sifting through lengthy and confusing videos, let's get started. Step 1. Creating a new project folder. To kick things off, let's create a new project folder named Project 1. This folder will be the home of your new Node.js project. Step 2. Launch Visual Studio Code and initialize TypeScript. Next, open up Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Project 1 folder. In the terminal, type the following command: tsc-init and enter. This will generate a tsconfig.json file, which is crucial for configuring TypeScript compiler settings. Step 3. Initializing Node package. In the terminal, type npm init-y. This command will generate a package.json file that contains essential information about your project. Step 4. Configuring tsconfig.json. Open the tsconfig.json file and make 3 important changes. On line 14, replace ES 2016 with ES 2022. On line 28, uncomment and replace common.js with Node.next. On line 30, uncomment and replace module with Node.next. Remember to save the file after making these changes. Step 5. Enabling ES modules. Still in the package.json file, add the following line to enable ES modules after line 5. Type module. Save the file to apply the changes. Step 6. Installing TypeScript type definitions. In the terminal, type npm i@type/node-d. This will create a node_modules folder, providing the necessary type definitions for Node.js in TypeScript. Step 7. Managing dependencies. Create a .gitignore file and add the line node_modules. This ensures that your version control system ignores the node_modules directory. Step 8. Adding external libraries, Inquirer. Let's add a powerful library called Inquirer to enhance user interactions. In the terminal, type npm i-inquirer. Step 9. Installing type definitions for Inquirer. To get TypeScript support for Inquirer, type npm i-d at type/inquirer. Step 10. Importing Inquirer. Open the index.ts file and import the Inquirer library by adding the line import Inquirer from Inquirer, and save file. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your development environment for a TypeScript Node.js project. You've learned how to install libraries, manage dependencies, and configure TypeScript to work seamlessly with Node.js. With Inquirer now at your disposal, you can enhance user interactions in your projects. Remember, this is just the beginning. You can apply similar steps to import other libraries and create your own TypeScript modules. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow developers, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Happy coding!